I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 4 for grade 1 mathematics. What we have done so far, a quick go through. We started division this week. We studied how we can share into two equal groups. Okay, now you can share into two equal groups by sharing one by one. And you know about the division sentence. What is the division sentence? You know what should you write first after division sign, what should you write, and with the result, where should you write? We did the book examples also, and except book examples we did too many examples also. So you are very familiar with sharing into two equal groups. Now you have done some work in the practice sheet also. We did some practice sheet yesterday where you had to divide the food between the kids. Here there were two kids. That's mean you were dividing into two equal groups. You divide this green portion is for this boy and this yellow portion is for this girl. So he took 1, 2, 3, 4 among 8 muffins. He took 8, he get 8, and among 8 she also get 8. How many muffins does each kid get? They both get 4 muffins. You can see here. And the second is there are some bananas, and here you need to distribute among 3 kids. So now not two, so you had to distribute into 3 equal groups, I mean into 3 kids. This boy, and this girl. So you can see there are 3 portions: green, sky blue, and yellow. This yellow is for this girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This girl get also get 5 bananas. This green for this boy. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. You also get 5. And this boy sky blue. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So every kid get 5 bananas. Okay, this is you did with the sharing into two equal groups. And you also used the table. How you can use the table? You did it with the help of tables also. Here, like 8 divided by 2 equals to what? Means 2 multiplied by what will give you 8. So you check the table of 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, and 2, 4, 8. So you can write here 4. So you know now that the multiplication and division are opposite to each other, and you can check your division answer by multiplication. Today our new topic is division using repeated subtraction. What we are going to do today, guys, we are going to learn this method of division. Sorry. We are going to learn this method, how we can divide using repeated subtraction method. Okay. This is also the method of division. We have learned about sharing into equal groups, that we can share into equal groups and we can find out how we can divide number of objects into two equal groups or more than two equal groups. Today we are going to learn about division by using repeated subtraction. Okay, so guys, it is on the page number 78. So please open your book, page number 78. I'm giving you 10 seconds to open your book, page number 78. After some seconds, I'm going to open your mic and you have to tell me whether you have opened or not. Division using repeated subtraction. Guys, did you open your book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good, guys. So let's read. Ryan, let's read the example of the book. Checkle has 6 ice cream cones. Time. Checkle has 6 ice cream cones. How many total ice cream cones Checkle has? 6. He wants to share them equally between Wrinkle, Bubble, and himself. Guys, I tell you one thing, whenever you want to distribute anything equally, that's mean you have to do division. Whenever you read the word share it equally, That's mean division. Sharing equally in groups means you are doing division. Okay. So Chuckle has 6 ice creams, 6 ice cream cones, and he wants to share them equally between Wrinkle, Bubble, and himself. So he wants to distribute among three. One himself, one Wrinkle, and one Bubble. Now question is, how many ice cream cones should each of them get? How many ice cream cones should each of them get? This is the question, guys. Okay. So according to division using a repeated subtraction.
Marem, 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 marem,
Shh,
marem.
silent. What we can do, give each of them one ice cream cone. What we will do, guys, we will give one ice cream cone to each of them. There are three kids, Wrinkle, Bubble, and Chuckle. If we give one to Wrinkle, one to Bubble, and one to Chuckle, that's mean 1 2 3. That's mean we will minus 3 from the total. Okay, what is total here? Total is 6. So I will write here 6 minus. I gave one to Wrinkle, one to Bubble, and one to Chuckle. That's mean I gave 3. 6 minus 3. When you minus 3 from 6, so how many ice cream cone will be left? 3. Yes, when you minus 3 ice cream cone from 6 ice cream cones, how many ice cream cone will be left?
Three.
3.
Three.
Very good, guys. There will be 3 ice cream cones will be left. That's very good. Now, there are 3 ice cream cones remaining. So what we will do, we will give one more ice cream cones to each of them, to Wrinkle, to Bubble, and to Chuckles. So there are now 3. Out of 3 I am going to give. Out of 3 I will give 3 ice cream cones because they are 3. 1, 2, 3. When I give them one ice cream cone, that's mean I will give all of them total 3. So 3 minus 3 equals to, guys.
Three. Yes. Three.
Now listen my question carefully. I am asking 3 minus 3 is equals to what? When you subtract 3 from 3, you will get what?
Zero. Zero. Zero.
Very good. You will get 0. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So you can see here, guys, there were total 6 ice creams. First, you give one ice cream cone to each of them. That's mean you minus 3. And this you finished. Now you have only 3 ice cream cones. You again give one ice cream to each. Now there is no ice cream cone left. This 0 is telling there is no ice cream cone left. So guys, for finding out the answer, what you need to do, you will check how many times did you subtract 3 from 6 to find each person's share. So the answer is 2 times. First you subtract 3, 6 minus 3 you get 3. Then again you subtract 3 from 3 and you get 0. So you have to subtract 3 twice time, 2 times from 6 to get 0. This is called repeated subtraction method. In repeated subtraction method, you will minus how many kids are there you are going to distribute. You will count them and you will give them one and you will minus that, like there were total 6 ice cream cones and there were 3 kids. So you minus 3 from 6 one time, you get 3. Then again you minus 3. You will keep subtracting until you reach 0. Let's suppose if it is not 6, if there are 12 cones. So you will minus one time, 12 minus 3, then again 9 minus 3, again then again 6 minus 3, until you reach 0. You will keep subtracting. And how you will get the answer? In order to get the answer, you will see how many times you subtracted in order to reach 0. So this is one time and this is two time. How many time you subtracted to reach 0?
Two times. Two
Two
times.
time. Two time.
Two times.
Two time. But you subtracted 3 two times in order to reach 0. That's why the answer is 2, that everyone will get 2 ice cream cones. If there are 6 ice cream cones and you distribute it equally into 3 kids, so each of them will get 2 ice cream cones. Okay, here guys, there is a division sentence also. You know how to write a division sentence? You write first the total number of objects, the total number of things. So there were total 6 ice cream cones. So you write 6 first. Now, because you are going to share into equal groups, so you write division sign. Sharing equally means you are doing division. Okay. You are dividing among how many kids? How many kids? One, two, or three. So you were dividing among 3 kids. Chuckle, Bubble, and who is the third one? Wrinkle. So you are going to divide into 3 kids. That's why you write 3. Okay. After your division, how many cones do each of them get? So they get 2 ice cream cones. Each of them get 2 ice cream cones. So this is the answer. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Tell me, is there any problem?
No. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Very good, guys.
No.
Now we are going to moving to the practice sheet, and we will solve these remaining 2 questions with the repeated subtraction method. You can see, guys, first we are going to do this. This one we are going to do. Okay. I will take help from you and you will help me to solve this question. You can see, guys, there are some cherries. Okay. And there are some kids. You have to distribute. Look at the question. Question is saying divide the food between the kids and write the division equation or division sentence. So you will count the cherries and you have to distribute equally among these kids. Can you tell me how many total cherries are there? Count the cherries and tell me. I am waiting your answers in the chat box. How many total cherries are there? Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Muhammad Mashri, very good. No, Umar, these are not 8. Very good. Arish, Yusuf, Rayan, Muhammad Kashan, Muhammad Momin, Huzaifa, very good. Muhammad, no, these are not 8. Rashid, very good. Abdul Muhid, Muhammad Talha, Ali Ahmad, Muhammad Ali, very good, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Rakan, very good. All right, guys. You all are very good. I will count for you. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are total 12 cherries. Now wait for a while. Don't send messages in the chat box until I finish, because I will ask you questions and you will help me to complete this. I am not going to answer it. Okay. There are total 12 chocolates. Sorry, 12 cherries. You have to distribute among how many kids? How many kids are there? Check and tell me. You have to distribute among how many kids? Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Huzaifa Ajmal, very good. Rashid, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Muhannad, Abdul Muid, Rayan, Arish, Omar Nizar. This very good, sir, guys. Very nice of you. So I start writing the division sentence. There are total 12 cherries. and we have to divide. This is the division sign among 3 kids. We have to divide among 3 kids. That's fine, guys. Now we will do division by using repeated subtraction method. In repeated subtraction method, we learned that first we will give 1 1 to each one. How many kids are there? 3. 1 2 3. That's mean I will minus 3. I will minus this 3 from total. So how many total cherries are there, guys? I'm going to open your mic. How many total cherries are there?
Four.
Guys, before answering, listen my question carefully. I am asking how many total cherries are there?
Nine.
12.
Nine.
12.
Three.
There are total 12 cherries. When you give one cherry to each of them, that means you give 3 cherries. So you will write here 12, 12. When you give one cherry to each of the kid, that's mean you will subtract 3. 12 minus 3. Can you tell me 12 minus 3 equals to what?
Nine.
9.
Nine.
9. Very good. 12 minus 3 equals to 9. Very good. You give 3 cherries. You give 1 cherry to each of the kid. That's why you minus 3 from 12. Now you have 9 cherries left. You know you will keep subtracting until you reach 0. Now you have to subtract from 9. If you give 1 cherry to each of them, then again you will minus what number from 9? Tell me, 9 minus what? If you give one cherry to each of the kid, how many cherries will be less from 9? 3. Very good. 3. Very good. So you will write 9 minus 3. When you subtract 3 from 9, there were 9 cherries. Now you give one more cherry to each of them. So 1 to him, 1 to him, 1 1 2, and 1 to her. 1 1 2 and 3. So you subtract 3 from 9. Now can you tell me 9 minus 3 equals to what? Very good. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So I will make one more group here, that this 3 cherries we have also given to these kids. Now we have only 6 cherries left. Yes, guys, how many cherries are left now? Listen. Before answering, listen my question carefully. I am asking how many cherries are left now. We have given 3, it was 9. Now we have given 3 more. How many cherries are left? 6. Very good. We have 6 cherries left now. Now what you will do, you will subtract again. Look here. This is, there are now 6 cherries. Now give 1 cherry more to each of the kid. Out of 6, there are total 6 cherries. When you give 1 more cherry to each of them, so how many cherries should I minus? How many cherries should be less? 3. Very good. It should be 3. Guys, remember, whenever you are going to divide using repeated subtraction, so you will subtract a same number. Every time you will subtract a same number. Like here from 12, I subtracted 3. From 9, I subtracted 3. From 6, I subtracted 3. Because the number of kids are same. I have to distribute among 3 kids. So I am giving one cherry again and again to these 3 kids. That's why 6 minus 3. Now, tell me in the chat box, tell me 6 minus 3 is equals to what? 6 minus 3. Muhammad Talha, very good. Siddiq Ali, very good. Suleiman Ulugeli, very good. Arish, Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Tamim, very good. Umar Nizar, Rashid, Abdul Muid, Muhammad Momin, Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad Momin, Muhammad Majdi now. So guys, when you subtract 3 from 6, you will get 3. I will make another group. This 3 you have also given to the kids. Now how many cherries you are left with? You are left with only 3 cherries. Okay. You are left with only 3 cherries. You have only 3 cherries. If you give it one more cherry to each of them, so what will happen? Let's see. If you give one more cherries to each of the kid, so that will be 3 minus 3. Because there are 3 kids, there are total 3 cherries. Now tell me, 3 minus 3 is equals to what? Muhammad Al-Sheikh, very good. Answer me only one time. Muhammad Momin, Muhammad Al-Sheikh, Siddiq Ghalib, Ahmad, Muhammad Talha, Muhammad Ali, Rashid. No, Rayan, 3 minus 3 is not 1. Tamim, Muhammad, Suleiman, very good. Arish, very good. Rayan, very good. Suleiman, Yusuf, very good. Sam Samir, very good. Muhammad Mamoon, very good. Sami Al-Haji, very good. Very good. Wali Ahmad, Huzaifa, Sam Samir. Very good. Right, guys. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. When you subtract one more time, 3, you will reach up to 0. Remember, we learned that in repeated subtraction, we will do subtraction until we reach 0. When we reach 0, we will find out the answer. Okay. So you can see, guys, this is 12 division sentence by 3. Now we have to find out how many cherries does each kid get. I tell you, for that what you will do, you will check how many times did you subtract 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you tell me how many times you subtracted 3 from 12? How many times?
4.
Wow.
4.
That's very good. That's mean you know the answer. That every child will get 4 cherries. Every child will get 4 cherries. I also make here this one. Every child
يسعد
get,
أنفخ.
every child will get 4. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4.
ناس
This
نسيت
is
قال جيبيها.
your answer. When you distribute 12 cherries among 3 kids, so every child, every kid will get 4 cherries. Okay, that's very good. Is there any problem, guys, in repeated subtraction method?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you, I'm receiving your message in the chat box. If you have any problem, if you have any question, send message in the chat box. I will open your mic, I will take your question and I will answer you. You have 1 minute. If you have any question, any doubt regarding repeated subtraction method, tell me. I will open your mic and I will take your question and I will answer it. Okay, and if you don't have any questions, so be ready because next question. Okay, Abdul Mohit, very good. Because next question, I will not tell you anything. You will have to tell me directly the answer. In the next question, I will ask you how many pretzel does each kid get. So you will have to tell me the answer. I know, Wali, your name is there. Okay, no one is asking me question. No one is asking me question, so I am asking you question. If you will not ask, so I will ask. The question I am asking that is there are four pretzels. Okay, it's baked. So you have to distribute these four pretzels among these kids. Okay. Now do the division by any method, sharing into equal groups or using repeated subtraction method, any method you use. Just tell me the answer. What should be here? How many pretzels does each kid get? Okay, Sami. First, I want to have some answers from you. Muhammad Ahmad 1, Siddiq Ghalib, Muhammad Salah, Muhammad Kashan. Very good. Tamim, Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Rashid, very good. Munizar, very good. Arish, very good. No Yusuf. No Yusuf, you did not understand my question. Suleiman Al-Gheli, it's not multiplication. I am asking how many pretzels does each? Each means one. If you distribute them equally among these kids, how many pretzels each kid will get? Very good. Muhammad Al Sheikh, no, it's not four. It's not four. Why are you saying four? Very good, Ryan, Muhammad Saleh, Umar Sheikh, Sami Al Ijazi, Muhammad Al Sheikh. Very good. Okay, no problem, Suleiman. If you don't know the divide icon, well, I can tell you. Look, if you're using some Microsoft equation, you can go here in the insert and in the symbol, like here. If you do click, so this is the division sign, and you can select from here. Go to insert and symbol. If you're using some Microsoft application, so you can do it, or you can copy it from anywhere. And if not, you are not finding it, no problem. You can use slash like this. This is slash. This is also you can use for division. So I have received the answers. Time Allah. I should ask to Time Allah because he is saying 12. How he is saying 12? He will tell me. Where is Time Allah? Time, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Time. Tell me the answer, please. If you distribute these four pretzels among these kids, how many pretzels does each of the kid will get? Yes.
One.
But you said 12.
I I I count the apple.
Okay, that's fine. All right, guys. So the all answers are correct. You all are correct, guys. The answer will be 1. Why? Because there are 4 pretzels. How many total are there? This is 4. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to divide these 4 pretzels among how many kids? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write here 4 first. This is 4. And you have to divide among how many kids? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to divide among 4 kids. So 4 divided by 4 equals to what? You can do any method. First, if I check the table of 4, 4 multiplied by what will give me 4? 4 multiplied by 1 will give me 4 with this method. Okay. Now, if I follow the repeated subtraction method, so this is 4. If I give 1 to all of them, so how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's mean 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equals to what, guys? Tell me, please. 4 minus 4 is equals to what?
Zero.
0.
Zero.
Very good. And you know, while using repeated subtraction method, you will subtract until you reach 0. And you reach 0 on the first subtraction. So how many times you subtract 4 from total? How many times you subtract? Only one time. How many times?
One. One.
Yes,
One.
one time. One
One.
time.
One.
Very good. So you write 1 here because you subtracted only one time. So the answer is 1. Or if you share 1 by 1, so I can show you also like this. This is this one you give to him. This one you give to him. This one you give to her. And this one you give to her. So you can see everyone get only one pretzels. I hope you understand, guys, all the methods. Repeated subtraction also, division, sharing into equal groups also, and using table also. Am I right? Do you understand everything?
Yes. 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 But yes, sir. Problem. Yes. I'm understand.
Very good. Sami was asking something. I should ask him, Sami. I think that was Sami Hijazi. Yes, Sami Hijazi. You want to ask something?
Ah, yes.
Please.
3 minus 3 equals
Sorry.
0. Low.
I did not get
3,
your question.
no, no. 3 is smaller number.
Okay. What do you want to ask, Sami?
What's,
Yeah,
what's
try.
that?
The
Sorry,
first
maybe he
thing
does.
First thing, I'm not clear. I cannot hear you properly. Your voice is missing. Whenever you're speaking, your voice is missing.
Sorry, maybe he doesn't understand how when you put like 4 minus 4, it will be 0, but when you divide 4, dividing by 4, it will be 1. Or 3 dividing by 3, it will be 1.
Okay, I tell you, you want to check how 4 minus 4 equals to 0? It's very easy. Draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Minus 4, cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 0 lines. 4 minus 4, 0.
I want my sister see this.
Okay.
Okay.
That's very good. All right, guys, our class time is finished. But I tell you one thing, guys. I have taught you the different methods, and inshallah, tomorrow we will do some practice sheet, and I will try to ask one by one to all of you, and you will have to tell me the answer. So, what is your homework? You have to practice about these divisions in your home so that you can participate in the class and you can tell me the answers. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Welcome.
Bye,
Welcome.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.